Dear students, next chapter is chapter 4, quadratic equation. Now, what is quadratic equation? The standard form of quadratic equation is ax squared plus bax plus c equal to 0, where a is not equal to 0. So this is ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0. If the polynomial is the equation is in the form, then it is the standard form of linear equation where a is not equal to 0. Why a is not equal to 0? Because if a equal to 0, there is no term for x square. So if there is no term for x square, then that equation is not a linear equation. If the equation like this, say twice x square plus 5 equal to 0, then this is a linear equation. If the equation is, say, thrice x square equal to 0, then this one also a linear equation. But if the equation is, say, twice x plus 5 equal to 0, this is not a linear equation because there is no term for x square. So it is necessary to the term for x square in the equation, then only it is a linear equation. Okay, so how can you check the equation is a quadratic equation or not? Exercise 4.1, question number 1, it is given, check whether the following are quadratic equations or not. Okay, now see number 1. Say x plus 1 whole square equal to twice x minus 3. Okay, so you have to check this one is a quadratic equation or not. Left hand side it is a plus b whole square form. Okay, so a plus b whole square, now you convert this in a square plus twice ab plus b square equal to twice x minus 6. X square plus twice x minus twice x plus 1 minus plus 6 equal to 0. X square plus 7 equal to 0. So here you see x square term is there. So which is a quadratic equation. Okay. Now see another example. Say number 6. X square plus thrice x plus 1 equal to x minus 2 whole square. X square plus thrice x plus 1 equal to x square minus a square minus twice ab. So 4x plus 4. X square cancel. It will be 7x minus 3 equal to 0. Now see here, there is no term for x square. So which is not a quadratic equation. Okay. So like that you can check which one is a quadratic equation and which one not. Okay. Now question number 2, it is given, represent the following situations in the form of quadratic equation. So you have to make the quadratic equation from the following question. See the question number 2. The area of a rectangular plot is 528 meter square. The area is given. Okay, so there is length and breadth. The length of the plot is 1 more than twice its breadth. The length of the plot is once more than twice its breadth. So this is the condition. This is the condition. So with the condition you have to make the equation. Okay. Now see how can you write the equation. First is it is given. You have to take the length and breadth. The length of the plot is 1 meter more than its 1 meter more than twice its breadth. So which one you have to take as length? Length is related to breadth. So which one you take as x? Let the length of the rectangular plot be x meter. Therefore, what will be the length? Sorry, this one is breadth. Therefore, length equal to. What is given? It is given the twice, 1 more than twice its breadth. So, what is breadth? Breadth you take x. Twice, that means 2 times of breadth and 1 more plus 1. So, length is twice x plus 1 meter. Now, what is area? Area of rectangle, length into breadth. Okay. Area of the rectangle, it is given 528 meter square. 528. This is the area of the rectangle. Is equal to length into breadth. Length is what? Twice x plus 1 into breadth. Breadth is what? X. So from here you can make the equation. Twice x into x is twice x square plus x. If you take this one on that side, minus 528 equal to 0. So this is the equation, quadratic equation you can make from the question. Okay. Next, to find the roots or to find the value of the equation. So since it is a quadratic equation, always you find the 2 roots are there. Always you find 2 roots from the quadratic equation. That means the value of the variable is 2 values are there. So factorization, already you done how to do the factorization. Exercise 4.2. Question number 1. Find the roots of the following quadratic equation by factorization. Question number 1, 3. Okay. See how can you do that? Root over 2x square plus 7x plus 5 root 2 equal to 0. So 7x. 7x you can make. It is 2 2s are 4. 2 into 5 it is 10. 5 into 2 it is 10. So root over twice x square plus 5x plus twice x plus 5 root 2 equal to 0. Then you have to take common. You can take common from this one and this one. Okay. If you take root 2 as common, what is left here? X square, and from here root over 2, because root 2 into root 2 is 2. So root over twice x you can take common, plus from this term and this term you can take common 5. So from here what is left? X is left. From here 2 is left. So root over twice x plus 5 x plus root 2 equal to 0. Okay. Therefore, root over twice x plus 5 equal to 0 and x plus root 2 equal to 0. So root over twice x is equal to minus 5. From here x is equal to minus root over 2. X is equal to minus 5 by root 2. Okay, therefore the roots are, what are the roots? This one and this one. Minus 5 by root 2 and minus root 2. So by factorization, you can find the roots of the quadratic equation. Okay.